Tell me when we're at like 2 inch.
Okay, that's 1 inch.
That's only 1 inch? Jeez. Feels like it's going up a lot.
Okay, now we're at 30.
We're at 30?
30
Okay, 20.
From 27 and a half?
Yeah.
How much higher do you want to go?
Well, I don't know. I thought I was going to stop at 29. Yeah, what are you at now?
30 and a quarter. Go
So-
for another crank maybe?
Okay, so that's 3 inch? That's a lot. You said 4 inch?
Yeah, 3 inch is probably pretty good. It's probably clear a lot of stuff.
Yeah, even like a 2 inch would have been significant.
Yeah. Grease and stuff. This thing will last forever.
Some spacers up there. Yeah.
Tear down the tires a little bit, get more mud grip.
K24. What do you think, Boo? It's cool. Today we're kind of letting you in on a little thing. We just kind of decided, we're gonna build us a little budget rally car. Steve happened to bring this over. So got a good deal. We're gonna use it to have a little fun, but the catch is on this thing is that we've already got our own projects and stuff going on. You've seen on the channel and everything else. So this is strictly gonna be a fun little, cost no money. So we're gonna do everything as cheap as possible and make it, I guess you could say, as ridiculous as possible, because we're just gonna have fun with it, enjoy it, probably make some sort of budget rally car for now, and then maybe take the motor for something else later on. But we can still play around with it and do a bunch of dumb stuff and learn a lot of stuff too, how to make certain parts or how to make certain things work. First things first, we're checking it out, see if we can lift it up a little bit, get some ground clearance. We go rip it through a field and hopefully jump something.
It's gonna smell good all the time.
What is this thing? 2007?
7 Honda Accord.
Honda Accord.
D-Taxing.
Cruise control, AC. Woo-hoo. All right, let's put some wheel spacers on it. Like the new rally car? Okay, so I just found these. Yeah. 3/4? 3/4 is 19. Oh, that looks great. We're just playing with that. We're just putting the spacer on for the fun of it. But that's cool. Nice little lift. Hey, lady, time to go in the house. Me and my friends are going to do some stupid shit.
Keep the cheap oil, you know?
Yeah, I got leftovers and shit.
Yeah,
Is it missing a bit?
Yeah. It's like pork.
That's normal for Hondas, no?
Yeah.
I don't know anything about Honda. Gonna get in trouble. Gonna get in trouble. Let's go do some stupid shit.
But first, we gotta take care of some oil.
Yeah. Just change the oil every time you drive it. You can relentlessly keep it to the floor. You'll be okay. Well, it's gotta be okay. A lot of people really like them. Right, Kevin's?
Yeah, that'll feel good, I'm sure.
There's too much to blow out of somewhere.
That's never too much.
We're good.
We're on that car model.
Detailing tips and tricks. Follow us for more recipes.
2007.
Potential rally car. We're gonna have to go test it, see if it rallies. Ready? We're gonna drive with the hood up. Oh, it's butter smooth. It runs good. It is really smooth. What the shit? That's crazy.
Perfect. 289.
Nice. You got an oil pressure gauge in there?
No, it's got a light though.
Yeah. Those were great. Yeah, I know.
They'll tell you when you're.
There you go. Pop some airbags.
See what we can do back there.
Putting the seatbelt on. That's not a good sign. Objects in mirror appear to be losing.
You're fucking washed down. Rocks and shit.
No. Just follow where it's grass. Those are good. Well, there is a bump right there. That was a good one.
Sorry, Donnie.
Yeah, he's gonna watch this, so that's why I let you drive.
Yeah, we'll fix it later.
Back at our potential go-kart track. Little soft spots like that, but that's about as soft as it gets.
Fuck, that's perfect. You got winter tires?
Yeah. Dirt tires on it already. Alright, so we're just taking a little cruise through the woods behind my place. There's already a cool trail back here. Check. We've already got our very own rally stage. I'm gonna have to show this to Yanis when we get back to work.
Right. K24, baby.
Woo!
Rolling in the woods.
Never the e-brake. Yeah, it sort of works. What are you doing?
Rally.
And then we're gonna try to find a way to turn around over here somewhere. That's not reverse.
Too many gears. Like,
Oh, now, yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah. That was just a mud flap, I promise.
we don't need mud flaps.
Where are you going? Uh-oh, check engine light came on.
I was already on.
Welcome to our little rally stage. This is where we're gonna play with this car a little bit, but don't tell my dad because he gets mad about us busting potholes and stuff. Ooh.
Make sure the valves are clear.
Yippee. Let's go! Woo. I wouldn't go too close there though. There's like a little ditch on that side.
Oh, back.
I would stay on the trail.
Okay.
And right here where the bumps are, there's a massive ditch right there.
Alright. I think it'll be great.
Oh yeah. Giddy up.
Alright.
That's cool.
Wanna try?
Okay.
Let's go.